August, you were a blast, but it's time to say goodbye. Let's recap with your month in a minute. The Red Sox started strong, sweeping the Yankees.
Andrew Benintendi sends us home.
The Patriots signed Eric Decker, bringing his reality star family to New England. Hey, Jesse James. Only to have him hang him up at the end of the month. Randy Moss took his place in the Hall of Fame and got this message from the GOAT.
Just an incredible player, teammate, and a friend.
Brady then said goodbye to Malcolm Mitchell when the Patriots waived their receiver. Chris Sale came back from the disabled list and dominated the O's on August 12th, only to return to the DL 6 days later. Good news, the Patriots beat the Eagles in their preseason Super Bowl rematch. Bad news, they lost top draft pick Isaiah Wynn to an Achilles injury. The WEEI Ness and Jimmy Fun Radio Telethon raised over $4.4 million in 2 days.
It kind of starts friendships that you hold on to for a very long time.
The Sox split their series with the Indians before finishing out the month with a bang.
And the Red Sox win it. The Red Sox, the season high 11 runs. Jackie Bradley coming through.
And that is your month in a minute for August.